So can have that uncertainty.
What is that?
No, I asked about me. You told I'll just tell you on
No, I
evening
said
itself.
no. I said in the end of the class, I was believing that we will be able to go faster.
Okay.
But you have not finished the balance chapters, no?
Yes, sure, sir. We'll take it.
What I said was, when we finish this and your question, which is personal to you,
Yes.
you can find out whatever is the guidance available by yourself.
Okay.
That will become a practice so that you will internalize whatever you have learned, whatever steps,
Okay.
and that way you will experience personally. See,
But
whatever
still,
case study I
after
told you.
experiencing also, I want an. I mean, I'm going to talk with you, or discuss with you these things.
Yeah, let us find out what. See, I don't know what you may get as answer
Okay.
until that time comes.
Okay.
I cannot foresay that, but generally, out of a normal conversation, I have found whatever is told is the answer. Are you able to
Okay.
understand me?
Yeah. I
And
understood, sir.
there will be many things revealed during the normal talk. I want to give you an example. Recently, I joined a forum.
Okay.
In that I mentioned they were mentioning about I Ching, but none of them have studied possibly.
Okay.
So I just put one message saying, in case you are interested in knowing some details on this as an application of knowledge in acupuncture, that is a form of acupuncture.
Okay.
I put 2 words, 2 3 lines only. So maybe the administrator was very angry with me and he removed my this thing. But before that, one girl saw my phone number in the message.
Message.
And she said, "Sir, I want to know something about it. I'm waiting to meet someone. Can I call you?" She called me. I was talking to her generally about her practice, which school she has studied, what system she is practicing, and all that. But in my talk with her, I used 2 times the word "you limp," Nondi.
Nandi.
Then sometime later I asked, "Are you sitting on the floor or do you visit, I mean, patient's house? Do you undertake house visit?" Because they are therapists, no? They can go to the house of the person who is sick
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
do.
Means.
So she said, "I cannot." Then I asked her why. She said she has an attack of polio in both her legs, or she cannot walk.
Okay.
Me using that word without any knowledge about that person.
Okay.
I was just looking at why I told her about this. Not only that, there was another occasion where I went to a forum. It was all PhD level people, very educated and well experienced in their therapy levels. One of the boys, he started talking to me. I said, "Please sit down. Please wait for me to finish my talking to you." In the end, before that, you will find all your questions answered. If it doesn't happen, you are free to stop me. I just wrote something about all these hexagrams relating to the way you can use it for your therapeutic purpose. Like 27, eating,
18.
29, taking care of your heart, 28, overburdened building will collapse,
Okay.
like
And
that.
I have one question, sir. After completing this course, can we just check this every like a health checkup? Can we check in I Ching for a home purpose? It's not a
You
wrong, no? We can check it.
Nothing wrong, but you should
Okay.
be capable of understanding it.
Uh-huh.
But the point here is there are some great masters who have used this, and uh, it is in the practice of the individual, and not many writings are available. But the I Ching for acupuncture, some people have written books. I Ching and TCM, some people have written books, right? I Ching for medical purpose, some people have written books. It is all their own experiences. They are already medical personnel.
So
Like
they'll be
you,
very experienced in depth of the
not
medical
only
field.
that, they are experienced in multidiscipline.
Okay.
For example, a surgeon consults I Ching for some clarification whether this particular therapy system will work for this person, whether the person should go for surgery now or can this person wait.
Okay.
You know, they are all, and one master I have studied, he has done a reading for his cough.
Okay.
The boy came and told about the health of the cow. He said, your cow is delivering a baby now, please give rest to the animal.
Okay.
See, I think has traveled beyond human application. Here,
Yes.
the person about whom you are inquiring is a cow.
Yes. So it was a big.
No, you cannot understand. I think you have to be truly, practicing, following. That is why in chapter 2, the heading itself is saying, be receptive, be open-minded. No, you have to keep all your eyes, ears, senses all open. Then only you will receive it. It is not like, going to a hotel and tapping on the table and demanding or
Yes.
calling the server, come on.
We'll make it up.
No, no. That is why I think expect you to be humble.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh,
the,
this is a
in chapter,
purpose, I think.
I will tell you, I will again summarize all that 30. In
Okay.
chapter 1, you spoke about the heaven and the creative power. 2, the receptive. 3, the initial difficulty. 4, the young child who is innocent and sitting in front of a great master. Right? 5 is waiting for nourishment. 6 is conflict. 7 is army. 8 is joining others. 9 is taming the small. 10 is walking behind the tiger. 11 is blessings, peace. 12 is obstruction. 13 fellowship with men. 14 is great wealth. 15 is following. 16 is joy.
And 17 something.
18 is whatever. 18 is corruption. 19 is approaching. 21 is something. 22 is adornment. 23 is fleeting. 24 return. 25 wu wang. 26 taming the small cattle. 27 nourishment. 28 great excess. 29 watered pit. 35. I just spoke to you. I have not seen anything. I am not reading.
The experience, sir.
So people ask generally, you cannot master it, you cannot memorize it that easily.
I
It
think
won't
we
take
should
much.
become like a emotional connect with the I Ching only. Then only the
People who write in this forum, they have
Sir,
authored
is
books.
this in local languages also? Tamil, like
No,
Hindi? No.
which one? I think, eh?
This I Ching.
Don't try that.
Okay.
Don't try.
Okay.
Please do not attempt to translate.
Okay. It's wrong procedure, sir.
Not that, not that. See, first, this is a gift given to you.
No, I'm just
No,
trying
no.
to.
Nothing wrong in that. Like you,
Okay.
many people ask me, I always stop them. You do not venture into that. You are getting a blessing, and it is for that. There are many people. In fact, someone studied from Hyderabad. I immediately knew his intention was to write it in Telugu.
Okay.
I asked him, "Do you want to write a book?"